ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अथात आदेशो नेति नेति। In this Vyakhyanam, so first part that we are seeing is Neti Neti means other than Brahma, whatever is there, its Nisheda is being done. And this Adesha means it is Upadesha for Brahma only. So that is the Mukhya Vishaya. Tika, page number 566. यथोक्तादेशस्य अभाव पर्यवसायित्वं मन्वानः शंकते। यथोक्त आदेशस्य दिस अथात आदेशो नेति नेति. तो पूर्व पक्षी feels if you go on negating, you will end up in अभाव पर्यवसायित्वम. आदेशस्य अभाव पर्यवसायित्वम. आदेशो अभाव पर्यवसायी. 17 नंबर टिप्पणी. तत्तात्पर्यकत्वम means तात्पर्य might be in अभाव. This is the शंका. ननु कथम आभ्याम नेति नेति शब्दाभ्याम नेति नेति इति शब्दाभ्याम सत्यस्य सत्यम निर्दिदीक्षितम इति. निर्दिदीक्षितम निर्देष्टुम इष्टम. निर्देष्टुम इष्टम is निर्दिदीक्षितम. So how this nirdidikshritam means nirdeshtum ichha is there by using neti neti shabda. What is being shown? Satyam. Which satyam? मतलब सत्य, हाँ, सत्यस्य सत्यम प्रथमांत सत्यम. टीका. निरवधिक निशेषा सिद्धेस तदवधित्वेन सत्यस्य सत्यम ब्रह्म निर्देष्टुम इष्टम. So it is given निर्देष्टुम इष्टम इति परिहरति. निरवधिक निषेध असिद्धे है. Any nisheda when you do, nisheda will have avadhi. Avadhi means some adhishthanam. Keeping that, you will do all nisheda. Actually, this is very easy if you properly understand. Neti neti is nisheda. When you do nisheda, you go on doing nisheda. What will remain? What did you say?
What cannot be negated.
What did you say?
The one who is doing this.
You will remain. Atma will remain. That Atma is Brahma. That's all. When you do Nisheda, you go on doing Nisheda, Atma will remain. Because who knows that something else is remaining whose Nisheda is to be done? Some Prakashaka has to be there. Illuminator of something which is still remaining or nothing is remaining. this illuminator is required. That Swayam Prakasha, whose nishedha cannot be done. When you say, it is said, you have to do nishedha of all. If I do nishedha of all, if I can do nishedha of myself also, then only abhav paryavasanam will come. But you cannot do nishedha of yourself. Why? Because you are the one who is doing nishedha. So if you say, I will do my own nishedha, right? Have I done my nishedha? So somebody has to say yes or no. That yes or no person knows nishedha is done or not. So that is still remaining. And that will never get negated. So just only this much if we understand, you know Aham Brahmasmi. Actually, this is what Ajatashatru wanted this Balaki to know. This is simplest. And like in Vivek Chudamani also, student asked this question only, that if I do Panchakosha Nisheda, I see nothing. I say, who sees nothing? That is still there. And if you say the one as a Pramata or Nisheda Karta I am, then that Nisheda also has to happen. Means as Ahankar I will not remain. Only as Prakashaka I will remain. So Niravadika Nisheda Asiddhe. 19 number Tippani is on Tad, not on Nishedhe. Nisheda Asiddhe. Tippani is on Tad. Tad avadhitvena satyasya satyam brahma nirdeshtum ishtam. Tad avadhitvena satyasya satyam brahma. This is the nirdeshana ichha. That this is what we want to do pratipadam. This is satyam. Satyam because it's nishedha, you cannot do. That is why it is called satyam. Pariharati uchyate sarvopadhi vishesha apohena. When sarva upadhi vishesha apohanam is done, then satyasya satya nirdeshanam will happen. Tika. Brahmano vidhimukhena nirdeshe sambhavyamane किमिति निषेध मुखेन तन निर्दिश्यते. ब्रह्मणः विधि मुखेन निर्देशे संभाव्य. When ब्रह्मणः विधि मुखेन, if you do nirdesha possible, this is another very logical question to Vedantin. If you can do vidhi mukhena pratipadanam, why you want to do nisheda mukhena pratipadanam? Why you want to say na anta prajnam, na bahish prajnam? Why you want to say yattad adrekshyam, agrahyam? Tadavyayam yadbhuta yonim paripashyanti dhera. So there also nisheda mukha is there. So nisheda mukhena, why you have to do? That is this question. If vidhi mukhena nirdesha is possible, sambhavya mane, yasmin na kaschid vishesho asti. Nama va, rupam va, karma va, bhedo va, jatir va, guno va. This is prasiddha vishaya now. In Siddhanta Bindu, you are already studying this. That which doesn't have any vishesha. What are the visheshas? Some are, or all of them are listed here. Nama, Rupa, Karma, Bheda, Jati, Guna. What is Bheda? See 1 number Tippani. Bheda means Sambheda, means Sambandha. Instead of Sambandha, Acharya said Bheda. We should understand what he is saying. So Brahma doesn't have any Vishesha. What are these all? Nama, Rupa, Guna, Kriya, Jati, Sambandha?
Sabda
Pravritti Nimitta. They are called Shabda Pravritti Nimittas. So Shabda doesn't have any Nimitta to be or to do Pravritti there. Tika. Tad vidhi mukhena nirdeshtum ashakyam. And therefore, vidhi mukhena nirdeshtum ashakyam iti sheshaha. नाम रूपादि अभावे अपि ब्रह्मणि शब्द प्रवृत्तिम आशंक्य आह. Okay. नाम रूपादि अभावे अपि, even if नाम रूपादि अभाव is there, in Brahma शब्द प्रवृत्ति, ब्रह्मणि शब्द प्रवृत्तिम आशंक्या, तद्वारेण ही शब्द प्रवृत्तिर्भवति. Siddhanti says only through these नाम रूप गुण कर्म जाति, नाम means रूढ़ि, by through these only shabda pravritti is possible. Means if they are not there, shabda pravritti will not happen. जात्यादीनाम अन्यतमस्य ब्रह्मणि अपि संभवात् तद्वारा तत्र शब्द प्रवृत्ति ही स्यात् इति चेत्, जात्यादीनाम अन्यतमस्य ब्रह्मणि अपि संभवात्. अन्यतमस्य मीन्स बहुनाम एकः, among many one of them could be there, means either jati, guna, kriya, sambandha, rudhi, something could be there. Anyatamasya brahmani api sambhavat, is possible that they are there in Brahma. Then tadvara shabda pravritti can happen. Iti chet netyaha. Siddhanta will say na. Nachaisham kaschit vishesho brahmani asti. एषाम कश्चित् ब्रह्मणि विशेषो न अस्ति. एषाम मीन्स दिस जाति शब्द प्रवृत्ति नाम, देयर इज न विशेष ब्रह्मणि, इन ब्रह्म नन ऑफ देम आर देयर. अतो न निर्देष्टुम शक्यते इदम तत् इति. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू शो इट एज इदम. द अदर डे आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग इन सर्व वेदांत सिद्धांत, Brahma has to be known only as Chaitanya. Chaitanya cannot be known as Idam or Ada. Chaitanya will be known only as, in this part only I was explaining, Chaitanya will be known as Aham only. Uktam artham Vaidharmya Drishtantena Spashtayati. So this, whatever he said, now he gives Vaidharmya Drishtanta. Why he has to give Vaidharmya Drishtanta, online students?
Vyatireka, because Brahma is always there.
अपवाद अपवाद विषेद होते ना अपवाद.
No. You use the words what is given there. My question is, why Vaidharmya Drishtanta?
Because there is no dharma in.
There is none other
No,
than
there is no.
There is
No.
only
Sattva.
Sadrisha,
Huh?
that's nothing.
Because there is no sadharmya possible. Therefore, Vaidharmya. See, I will tell you. Tell me a thing which is not the Vishaya of speech. Tell me that. When I say tell me that which does not become Vishaya of speech, how will you say? If you say it becomes Vishaya of speech. So there is no sadharmya possible. When we understand the line, then we know what is being said. Now you will try to look, let me tell something which does not become Vishaya of speech. And other than Brahma, of course. There is nothing, because the moment you utter, it has become Vishaya of speech. So that's why Vaidharmya Drishtanta only is possible. Gaurasau spandate shuklo vishani iti yatha loke nirdishyate tatha. Now you all tell me. One person will tell one thing, okay? Gau rasau. In that gau, what is there in gau? Online students? Anything indicated by gau?
Nama.
Nama and jati. Gotva jati is indicated. Okay. Spandate.
Kriya.
Kriya. Spandate kriya. Karma shabda you can use. See, karma shabda should not confuse you. Because like in sakarmaka, akarmaka, karma shabda means what? Karmakaraka. So you should keep that in mind. Kriya is easy to recognize. So spandate. Yeah, they might have given karma. Karma. Then shuklaha.
Guna.
Guna.
Guna. Vishani.
Vishani. Sambandh.
Very good. How sambandha?
All the
What is Vishani first?
horns.
Vishana is horn.
Hmm.
Vishani is not horn.
No.
In Sanskrit, Vishani means? How will you do Vyutpatti of Vishani? Vishanam asya asti iti Vishani. What is the pratyaya? Online student, what is the pratyaya? Which one? Ini. Inithanau sutra Vishanin. Vishanin will be Pratipadika. Everybody online you are getting. Whenever there is like Dhanin, what is the Vyutpatti for Dhanin? Dhanam asya asti iti Dhani. We say Prathama Ekvachan will become Dhani. So ini pratyaya Brahmacharin. Brahmacharin means Brahmani charitum asya iti Brahmacharin. Everywhere ini pratyaya is for that. So Vishani is different from Vishana. Like Dhani is different from Dhanam. Like that. So in this, Jati is given, Kriya is given, Guna and Sambandha, all are given. And Nama is also given. So all five are there. Yatha loke nirdishyate. Tatha means na tatha, you should understand. Because Vaidharmya Drashtanta is given. Tika. तथा जात्यादि अभावात न ब्रह्मणि शब्द प्रवृत्ति रीति शेषः. जात्यादि अभावात ब्रह्मणि शब्द प्रवृत्ति इज नॉट देयर. कथं तर्हि क्वचित विधि मुखेन ब्रह्म उपदिश्यते. देन हाउ इन सम प्लेसेस ब्रह्म इज डिफाइंड उपदिश्यते. इज देयर एनी अदर कैरेक्टर देयर? उपदि दी है समथिंग. If there is anything else, remove that. Upadishyate only. Tatraha adhyaropita nama rupa karma dvarena brahma nirdishyate vijnanam anandam vijnana ghana eva or satyam jnanam anantam brahma atma brahma atma iti evam adi shabdaihi. So in all of them, adhyaropita nama rupa karma is given. Tika. Vijnananandadi vakyeshu shabale. Shabale means vishishte. Guna vishishta. Shabale means saguna. Okay, simple word you keep. Saguna. Shabale means saguna. सगुणे गृहीत शक्तिभिः शब्दैर्लक्ष्यते ब्रह्म इत्यर्थः. So saguna Brahma is taken, and then by those shabdas Brahma is lakshyate. Shakti. Shakti is there in what?
Pada.
Shabda or pada. That's why what will be Shakya? Shakya will be pada or padartha.
Padartha.
Padartha. Shakya will be padartha. Pada will be called?
Shakti.
No. Pada will have Shakti. Pada will be called Shaktam. Not these things. In Nyaya, only these shabdas they use. Shaktam, Padam. Pada will have Shaktam, Padam. Pada will have Shakti. Padartha will be called Shakya. Shakya sambandho Lakshana. Lakshana is called Shakya sambandha. Everybody note these four things down. And Shakyartha means
Vachya.
Vachyartha. Shakyartha means Vachyartha. So 5 things. Shaktam, Padam. Shakti, Pada Shakti. Shakyartha, Padartha. Shakyartha means Vachyartha. So if somebody says, what is Vachya? Then means Padartha only. Vachya means Shakya, means Padartha. Vachaka means
Padartha.
So don't get confused when there are, because sometimes it will say Vachyartha, sometimes say Shakyartha. It's same thing. And associated with that, that's where you use Lakshana. That is why it's called Shakya Sambandha Lakshana. So what is given here? Vijnana Anandadi Vakyeshu Shabale. Shabala means this Saguna or Vishishta Brahma. Grihita Shakti Bihi. There you will do Shabda Grahana Shakti will be there because Shabda can reach there. Then by those Shabda, Brahma Lakshyate. Brahma will be indicated. Mhm. 11 number tippani you see. Atratyam Tattvam Sankshepa Sharirake. In Sankshepa Shariraka, this Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma is elaborated that it is not Vachyartha. Brahma is not Vachyartha of Satyam or Jnanam or Anantam or Vijnanam or Anandam. Brahma is Lakshyartha. Nanu Lakshanam Upekshya Sakshadeva Brahma Kimiti na Vivakshyate. Why Lakshana and all? You only want to complicate everything. Just tell me. Some people, just tell me the truth in 2 minutes or 5 minutes or in one class. Why for years you go on teaching and you want us to attend and memorize this and memorize? Just tell in brief. Then what will you do? Then I will go for shopping, then I will go for eating, dining, this, that, other things. I want to do other things, not this studying all the time. Which is good. They will give example. Janak Maharaj was there. He was doing everything else or not? Was he studying all the time? You could do. But Janak Maharaj is different. You are not Janak Maharaj. You have Vairagya like Janak Maharaj, have the ability to walk out from anywhere, anytime. You can also learn what is there. ननु लक्षणाम उपेक्ष्य साक्षादेव ब्रह्म किम न विवक्ष्यते विवक्ष्यते, व्हाट इज द धातु? This is easy.
What? What dhatu?
Vaktu.
No. No. वच वच परिभाषणे. Then what is the pratyaya? What is the word? Vivaksha. San pratyaya. वक्तुम इच्छा विवक्षा. वच धातु. हाँ, तत्र आह यदा पुनः स्वरूपम एव निर्दिदीक्षितम भवति निरस्त सर्वोपाधि विशेषम तदा न शक्यते केनचिदपि प्रकारेण निर्देष्टुम. If swarupa nirdesha ichha is there, all upadhis cannot be eliminated. Nirasta sarva upadhi vishesham cannot be revealed by any prakar. Kenachid api prakarena nirdeshtum na shakyate. See, Bhagavan Bhashyakar's words are golden words. Even, that's why, even when you say Shruti Pramanena Brahma Lakshyate ityadi ityadi, it is only Lakshyate. And after studying so many Vakyas also, if my attention doesn't go there, that this is who I am, and my Deha Bhava doesn't go away, that this is who I am not, so still Nirdesha is not enough then, even if you study Shastra. So everything has to happen. One is all other Pramana cannot do Nirdesha. Second is only Shruti Pramana will do Nirdesha, that too only through Lakshana. And there also, next thing that should happen is Deha Bhava should be eliminated. Nirdeshtum lakshanam upekshya sakshadeva vaktum iti yavat. For Purvapakshi says that for Nirdesha, without lakshana, sakshat nirvachanam is not possible. Tatra shabda pravritti nimittanam jatyadinam, jatya, one I is extra, jatyadinam abhavasya uktatvad ityartha. Shabda pravritti nimitta like jatyadi, they are absent. Therefore, vidhi mukhena nirdesha is not possible. Vidhi mukhena nirdesha asambhave phalitam aha. तदा अयमेव अभ्युपायो यद उत प्राप्त निर्देश प्रतिषेध द्वारेण नेति नेति इति निर्देशः. अयमेव अभ्युपायः. This is the only solution. What is that? Because of the nirdesha, vidhi mukhena nirdesha is not there. Therefore, nisheda mukhena through neti neti. टीका प्राप्तो निर्देशो यस्य विशेषस्य तत् प्रतिषेध मुखेन इति यावत्. प्राप्तो निर्देशो यस्य, प्राप्त निर्देश पद इज देयर. प्राप्तो निर्देशो यस्य, यस्य कस्य, विशेषस्य, तत् विशेष प्राप्त निर्देश तत् प्रतिषेध मुखेन. सो प्राप्त निर्देशो यस्य विशेषस्य तत् प्रतिषेध मुखेन इति यावत्. प्रतिषेध द्वारेण नेति नेति इति निर्देश. So the meaning of that is, when if you get Vijnanam Anandam Brahma or Satyam Jnanam etc., then there you have to do nisheda. Nisheda of Vishesha. Vishesha nisheda you have to do. Then what remains is what is being revealed. Now here, those who are studying Upadesha Sahasri, I will bring that point now itself. In the second chapter, first chapter of Upadesha Sahasri is Upodghata Prakarana. He just says that Jnanena Moksha. Second chapter of Upadesha Sahasri, first shloka itself, he says that the Brahma or Atma is revealed only by Neti Neti. And therefore, Nisheda Mukhena Pratipadanam is possible. What is the shloka?
प्रतिषेद्धुमशक्यत्वात् नेति नेतीति शेषितम् इदं नाहमित्यद्धा प्रतिपद्यते
Pratishedhum Ashakyatvat. Neti Neti iti Sheshatah. Idam Naham. You do Nisheda. Then in 18th chapter, Tattvamasi Prakarana, Acharya himself will say you need Vidhimukha. In 18th chapter. So why I am telling now itself? Because when you study this, you don't have 18th chapter in front and you definitely don't remember second chapter of Upadesha. When 18th chapter comes, you will forget this. Second chapter, you don't remember. So you will not have prashna. I will only have to create this prashna and do samadhana. So then in that 18th chapter, when he says that you need Vidhimukhena Nirdesha also, what he means is that if somebody who does not have Vedanta samskara and you do only Nisheda Mukha, that person may end up in Shunyam because he does not recognize that, like how I asked the question and nobody could recognize that Nisheda, when you do, the Prakashaka of Sarva Nisheda will always be there. So there, if the attention doesn't go, you will think it is abhava, even though it is not, Paryavasanam is not in abhava. So therefore, when Vidhi Vakya is also there, at least you will know it as Sat. It is. It is Jnanam means it is Prakashaka. It is Ananta means it doesn't have Paricheda. And then when Nisheda Vakya comes, then you will not end up in Shunyam. So Mukhya Purva Paksha in Ashtadasha Adhyaya and Upadesha Sahasri is going to be Bauddha only. Is Kshanik Vijnana and Shunyavad. So keep that in mind. And that's why whenever Sushupti Avastha Vichara is done, then in Sushupti, most people may think there is Shunyam Abhava. So Acharya in Dakshinamurti Stotram, in one shloka, he negates all other darshanas. Deham pranam api indriyanyapi chalam buddhim cha shunyam vidu. But for shunyam, again he gives one more shloka. What is the shloka?
राहुग्रस्त दिवाकरेतसदृश.
So, Shunya Pratipad, Shunya Nisheda is separately done. Why? Prag aswapsam iti prabodha samaye yaha pratyavijñāyate. So these things I should have in mind, whether I need to go from Brahadaranyaka to Upadesha Sahasri to Dakshinamurti Stotram, that clarity should always remain. I had charcha on this with another Acharya, and so sometimes because they don't have all these connections or that much abhyasa, and they may feel that how Nisheda Prakriya will reveal, etc. So we should know in totality how the Pratipadanam is. Mandukya Mangalacharan, two Mangalacharan, one is Vidhi Mukhena, one is Nisheda Mukhena. Like there Bhagavan Bhashyakar establishes it. See Tika further. Evam Brahma Nirdidikshitam Chet Ekenaiva Naya Alam Kritam. Okay, so Nisheda Mukha is accepted. Now he says, why two Neti Neti? Only one negation should be enough. Ekena Naya Alam Kritam. Alam Kritam, there are two different shabdas. Huh? Alam means Paryaptam. Enough. Or if you say Paryaptam, Dviti Ekena Naya Alam. Alam means Paryaptam. Kritam Dvitiyana. Kritam, 70 number tippani. Vyartham. Na kimapi prayojanam means Vyartham. Kritam means Vyartham there. Iti ashankyaha. Idam cha nakara dvayam vipsa vyaptyartham. This nakara dvayam is for vipsa. Vipsa means
After twice to negate everything.
vyaptum ichha. Vipsa is vyaptum ichha. What is the dhatu there? Aplri dhatu is there. Aplri. And there is a sutra. Ap nyapi ridham ita. Ap nyap ridha mita. 7455. So these dhatus, ap dhatu, nyap dhatu, ridham, they will have E. So weep, that E comes because of that. Eat. Vipsa. So aptum ichha, ipsa. Aptum ichha is ipsa and visheshana. So vyaptum ichha will become. Vipsa vyaptyartham. Vipsaya vyaptihi sarva vishaya sangrahas tadartham nakaradvayam iti uktam eva vyanakti. By vipsa vyaptihi sarva vishaya sangraha. Everything is covered by two nakara. Yad yad praptam tan tan nishidyate. Whatever is praptam, everything is negated. Vishayatvena praptam sarva na brahma iti ukte satya vishayah pratyagatma brahma iti ekatve shastra paryavasanat nairakankshyam shrotuhu siddhyati ityaha. Vishayatvena praptam sarvam nishidyate. Na brahma. Brahma nishedha is not there. Why? Shastra paryavasanam is in Brahma. Not everything will go away. Tadhacha sati anirdishta shanka brahmanaha parihrita bhavati. And therefore, this shanka that Brahma is not the Vishaya, means Brahma cannot be revealed. Anirdishta shanka. Vang manasa vishayasya asheshasya nayabhyam nishede tad atitam pratyang matram brahma iti arthat adishtam niravadhi nisheda ayogat. So some avadhi of nisheda will be what? Brahma. Vrikshat phalam patati. Avadhi of patanam is vriksha. Vriksha na patati. Phalam patati. So something is going to remain. Like that here, Brahma will remain. Nisheda avadhi is in Brahma. टीका इति शब्दस्य प्रकृत परामर्शित्वात् प्रकृत मूर्ता मूर्तादेर अन्यत्वे ब्रह्मणो नकार पर्यवसानं किम इति नेष्यते तत्र. इति शब्द, सी न इति, न इति. What is इति? This is इति शब्दस्य प्रकृत परामर्शित्वात्. इति शब्द is प्रकृतस्य परामर्शी. Prakritasya paramarshi means whenever iti shabda comes, like we say, iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu. So iti means whatever we have already done, its paramarsha is done. Prakritasya paramarsha, prakrita paramarsha. Iti Maheshwara Sutrani means Ayun Riluk starting from there up to Al. Iti. So whatever already is said, that is called Prakrita Paramarsha. Prakrita Paramarshitvat. What is the Prakrita? Murta Murta. Murta Murta Dehe Anyatve Brahmano Nakare Paryavasanam. Kimiti Neshyate Tatra Aha Anyatha Hi Nakar Dvayena. From that we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.